I'm going to use the gradient that we used for the lips to also do my eyes. I'm going to do a custom gradient, and I'm going to have to pick colors here. I happen to have kind of like hazel brownish colors, so I have to kind of find the right colors here. And then I'll pick one for the other side. The best way to be successful with a gradient is to have a pretty good contrast. I mean, it kind of depends on what you're trying to do with it, right? But if you want people to notice it, you want to have a significant contrast between the light and dark color in order to get the best effect. All right, I'm going to try that. Oh, okay, so I don't have mine on radial. I missed that. So let me go back and edit this one. I'm going to change it to radial so it's blending from the center out. There we go. So that creates a nice effect on the eyes.